Lokwentiwe nguNkulunkulu angeke uze ukuvimbe mfana babe ngensando yakho.
Never saw
Treaty waposta uthi ungarepa. Yebo waposta ukuthi ngishaya umfati bathi pho lapha kubangamarket show wapha indvodza leshaya umfati wafakaza bo Buster. Uyabona? Uthi uyagika Buster.
He's an artist, yeah.
Ngitshele ke bhuti. Since 2022 to lesikhathi lesikhuluma ngaso nalo lokhuluma ngaso. Umbone kiphi poster?
Imali lomunye imusic video director naye celeni
so kwangilimata kakhulu ngize ngiyoshutha na Ludis because isikhathi siyahamba shothi mina ngifune ngivumele simo so ngoba kwena ke emudini akuhamba isikhathi kuma career abe busy ngaloku nase kuphinze kufuna yena kwena ukuthi kushuthwe ube ngithi okay kwena kushuthwe angihlanye mina uyabona ikakhoza yabhadalwa ayishuthwanga iupscale naloko kube clear nakurola ukuthi iAfro please noma ungayobuka kuleli page lami lebalithatha bathi lapho konke bengikuhambisa ngendlela uyabona lamadvodza for mina nje akhombutha akhuliseke ekhaya kuningi langa akakufunzi kwesiswati because phela amaswati angikhombe nje kungakhuliseke ekhaya ngoba abantu bayahlonishwa wena but kuthi ngilapha ngahlonishwa khona so the plan this year is to drop a song music video up until December early next year we're announcing a project Dikhale futhi.
Superstar Rockstar Level, Bafetu, come back to the biggest YouTube channel. Bafetu, if you haven't subscribed, please pause this video right now or subscribe. Hit the notification button so that every time I drop a video, you are notified ukuthi na lenye video iphumile. Labanye ke lokhu subscribe ngathi bacabanga ukuthi na subscribe ile kuhamba imali. Akuhambi imali no subscribe ile nkosi yami. Ufenje subscribe so that you every time I drop uyati and you are growing the Rockstar family yabo. Road to 20k subscribers siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi ngichubeke ngihlale nazi la show lenkulu nakangaka nkosi yami. Most importantly shout out to Eclair Store. I'm rocking vintage lags, I'm rocking House Music Fest. Don't get impahla etitholakala la khathi esitolo la Eclair Store. Make sure you check them out. There's a lot of things that you can buy. Nema plain t-shirts akhona la other local brands. Check them out. Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, wherever. But most importantly, bashayele around ungene la store nje utobona ukuthi ingilokhu thandzako. Noma usethe imali tafu check ubone ukuthi uthandzani phindze ubuye ukuthenga. You know the vibes. We are back with another episode and my guest, the one that I have today, and ngihlale ngisho ngithi baya request but lona uthi nakushisa khotha kwendeke ama drama kwendeke in nabe nithi hey sifuna tata ukuxoxa story sakhe ngithanda istory but njengenjwayelo sizamile ukuthi simfune sazama wena emaplani sasamthwa so that atobuya atosixoxela story sakhe part 2 njengoba hlale sisho ukuthi if you come to the show kude ukuthi sesitart hayi so hambe ungaphinza ubuye we are growing all together nangabe we need to tell a story or whatever, we need to address stuff, you can come through the show. So most importantly, the guest Yami Konanyalo, I'm so excited to have him on the show. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Young Zesh in the building. Zesh. Last time ufika la washo ubasile wena ubasa umlilo wathi abantu base traffic emva kwahamba angishiya ngibhula ngithu.
Awu bese ngabanga. Sekuthi nje into nayibonwa ngumuntu kuya ke kutheni uyithatha kanjani. Mhlambe nayibase ngakuye ekusuke kunenkinga ngathi but nje nangabe wena ufila leyo mlilo lobasiwe u receive eish. Asathi nje but ngiyabonga mfowethu ukuthi ngiphinze ngibuye la. Nami nje bekungathi ngitisukumene.
So yancengwa Zesh ukuthi ude ngaqanisa lonke uncenga solo hey Ncesimane kuse bro ngise have rehearsals. Hey bro I have other commitments I'll be out of the country ngithi
no bhuti kukhula nje nemsebeni ngoba na ukhula bese tithi ngodiba dinengi lokufuna ubukane nato. But nje luckily na sesikhona. Themba umsebenzi utawuphinza uhambe kahle.
Hayi no noma kanjani ngavele ngithite namuhla vela ngikuthole ngibambe isikasi ngalokuthi ngiyabona ukuthi ngakuyekela ngengiphinze nguthola. And when I was calling Zesh guys I was shocked in the morning ngiyashaya because most of us kuma WhatsApp. Ngiva khala ingoma yakho ngithi and you are not even answering. I'm sure ngithi kwaZesh kufuna ngilalele nje. Kupholile kuyashisa kava ngilalela mfana shaya ngecola tune.
Shout out to MTN for letting the side for my caller tunes. for i-brand lefana nami nje it's a huge thing nje because bancane labanako lokho and baningi laba kufisako besides nje kuyawupromote nalo music kuthi nalo lokugcina kushayela agcine nje nale ngoma sayathi vele nje kobusho ukuthi uyilalela noma ungafuni ngalokho kumele kuze kubahambe
I know elevated zesho. How does it work though? How does it work? Now that you've touched on it, lenza be makola tune. Isebenza njani? Because I don't know, I have no idea. Mhlambe nangabuya yathi.
But ungangifaka ephaceni mntana babe kepha nje bakhona lababukelo. I think you can get more information.
Do you get paid in stand lapho?
No, yeah. Kubalwa izima royalties, ma streams. Lokhu bakhola tunes nje wena kubala nasekushayela certain unit ke kwakha imali. Cause angithi kuya ngekuthi usubscribe kanganani le khola tune nelishumi inyanga 5 emalangeni. So vele imali angithi lo at the end of the day lefuna idistribute between us na MTN.
Sacela kusinaka MTN lo atiko lelitiko lele etatos elaborate yabona. Stop ukuthi la stop clear ngoba sesikhuluma ngemali nyalo sikhuluma ngemachanguri. But how have you been Zesh from the last time you were on when was Zesh ke phana episode early I think you were one of the first guests. I think
is it last year?
One of the first guests we had when we moved to the store when we started shooting last store. But of course it was last year. Yeah, so how has life been since last year? Any improvements? We are cool umfana Landisa.
Yeah.
Last time but my comments indwane encane indwane encanyana. 16 junior.
Yeah, no for me. Mnyaka manje uhambe kahle kakhulu bhuti. Nami ngikhulakhulile and naku music ngikhulile futhi in terms of kune music business. Nakhona ngibese sengena kule territory leyo. But nje impilo ihamba kahle mbana baba uKarak City kwahlula imbodi. Siyaphila thina. Siyaphila, siyaphefumula, siyabonakala futhi nasetzaweni letitsite. Solo siyibambile nje uNkulunkulu sasibusise.
What do you think made people request good things we like the show? What do you think made? I know we both know, but when ngicabanga ukuthi yini?
No, ngicabanga ukuthi people bafuna kwathi mhlambe kabanti about yangizeshi yaphuma upscale kuthi awucala i-record label. Yeah, I think bafise kwathi more details about that. I don't know. Ngicabanga kanjalo nekwe kuthi ke since bekwenteka yonke lento leyo mina have decided to drop a song. Nakhona ngeke ngithi ngoma for mina statement nestembu sechasela imedia kuchasela nini bema podcast nekuchazela wonke umuntu ukuthi kwenda.
Oh yes, the song. Uyabona ukuthi uphutile kude. I almost forgot ukuthi wakhokhana le ngoma leyo bahleli lapha the song. Oh
yeah. Mina ngimbe ku statement se media. Nebantu nehlwele tami ukuthi start ukuthi okwendakalani nyalo sekanje. Yeah, it's a statement for me. It's not a song actually.
Bukahle lo usinathi include vele ngoba nathi si media kwananathi vele sengithi sitshela Tito and my brother I'm truly honored ukuthi ude la kule show because a lot of people don't understand ukuthi kude la ku media. They always think ukuthi maybe I don't know, people have this narrative ukuthi maybe sifuna thine as the platform kuvuma ngabo or what. No. Bro, and to me it's like if you know ukuthi kude na lesikbenefitako ukuthi sende lento lena ngabe nya understand ukuthi sikwenda nathi ngoba siyakuthanda yabo. So konke lesitakhuma ngawo I disclaimer lekhona for abantu labanga just for a little bit of context. Din for lesitibonile out there on social media. Ngesikhuluma ngenfo lesingayadi. Sikhuluma ngenve siyibonile social media. Of course bonile uphumile ku record label like we had mentioned upscale beside go to upscale then Chigi so soqale record label imabona bulawe right
yes
Chigi kwaphuma i-diss song since diss songs kwaphuma i-diss song lapho uhleli conference ugcoye mnanzi ufaka isuit yadisa. So from the last time njengoba ngisho just a lot has changed ngobushito so ukhulile so phuma so nema ex in terms of record label.
Yeah.
What happened? Take us through the deal because we've seen it artists ukuthi ingoma lese siyati iphindze ithi repeater ukuthi unginokhi record label. Umbuto uthi wawuyaphi in the first place. Labanye batibuta ukuthi we fight this thing every day ukuthi in. So ngicela sithathe through about kusuka nikuhlala nje iyo upscale nje ukuthi kungena till uzuphuma. Kwendekani signing ngidawuthula mina ngilalele.
Okay, kuze kwende kukhanye kuwo wonke umuntu wena banene. Info lekhona la ku decide ukuphuma kwami upscale akusiyo into lengivuke ngayicabanga one day. Kuphuma kwami upscale ngifike esigabeni ukuthi sale ngithatha le decision leyo bese kukunene lengahambisani nako lo bese kwendeka lengubeketelele for isikhathi hoping ukuthi into ditahamba tishinje phela because sonke siyawenda emaphutha but info mayichubeka yendeka regular yendela nje sonke isikhathi ugcine nawe utibuka ukuthi udaba yini kusasa wena ngoba lokumcwaka ukuthi sikhone kuphila sinje netimpilo tethu singachazwa nje kubona info lenhle noma nibona info lenhle nini sigcine sale siphilela lesithombe sekuthi hayi abantu babona isithombe lesingukuthi so akusinto lengidecide kuyenda in one night cause bengibuka nje indlela into letendeka ngayo so ngadecide ngathi no ngiyalo mele ngithathe step lesingukuthi but mangifike upscale it was 2022 ngihamba na DJ City after I performance bebangibite kiyo esiphofaneni sifika simajaha lesitocela ku-upload la music nakhona after a long period of time so long sizama ukukhuluma naye 3T about that kuthi yathi sifisa indvo le kanje because by that time kude besikwathi mayelana nama-digital stores in terms of ukuthi ukuregister njani uphuma kanjani so bekunalabo DistroKid nabo bani so mna decided no ukuthi wami music ngifuna uphume kahle etitolo letingito so ngicabanga ukuthi singaya lapha so nasifika na City na Pro sikhuluma na 3T sigcine siyavumelana ngaloko ukuthi utas-upload lo music and we said utawuthatha 20% sikhokhela music sibone ukuthi kwendakalani uyabona iphuma isingile ekucala ngiyiphushe ngiyi1 ngicale ukucomplainele lokuthi hawo lesingile sesingiyiphusha ngedwa manje kanti phela nawe so na 10% lapha kulo music kwami ngibambiseni phela madoda noma ni believe lokho losikwendayo uthi kutawukhuluma yini athi umnethu no hayi ngiyakuvu wende kona washo uyabona so iphuma isingile ekucala licebesha then kubuye kuphume nembeza then kuphume licebesha album lithi ke naliphuma licebesha album lithume but kube nengoma futhi lehamba embili ekuthumene kube ngilengoma lekuthi kakhoza lihambe kakhulu licebesha album I think kuloko ke wamnguna decide ukuthi no ngoba ngathi lokho lesikwendako kuyamva nyalo cabanga ukuthi nasingachubeka sicubeke ngale artist le sibone ukuthi siphusha kanjani kude lamanye ama agreement lesake saba nawo but ukuthi njengoba nje ku music wakho sithatha how many percent nakanjena sithatha how many percent assign la confirm lo we just moved nje as brothers senda lemvole by the time ingoma ithumile and kungena ema bookings uyabona so ngaleyo ndlela nje sisebende I think nami ke as artist futhi lokho ukuthi kwendeke wena buti kunikete isithombe lesinye lekumele ube naso njengemvempileni ukuthi no matter ukuthi lo msebenzi unjani noma umuntu umbona ukuthi ukulungele kanjani kumele ukuprotect lokungekwakho mbana babe noma ngabe nitsinivana kangakanani kumele ulade ilungelo lakho as an artist ungayiswa ukuthi mhlamba wathi tindvo noma ulambile by the time kude mhlambe lo ngakuthola so ngaleyo ndlela sisamuva but good agreement lesinayo so okay yangizeshi ngicale ngibone liphepha after lokutrenda lokho yangizeshi upscale live what signing ngibene ukuthi hawu sengisayiniwe kanjani phindze ngibene ukuthi hayi no asesichubeke siphusha so nasisaphusha kungene ama bookings wena but because mina kupfuma kwami kube info lemfisha kakhulu asikahlali isikhathi lesithi ngithi ngifika nje upscale upload music kwavele info tendeka nasisaphusha ke acala angena ema-gigs yangena imali bhuti kwathiwa no Stabo uthatha 20% and sithathe 80% ngangabi nenkinga naloko saqhubeka.
Who's taking 20%? Who's taking 80%?
It's Upscale Live from my bookings it's uthatha 20%.
80% uteko.
Yes, uteke him 80%. No ngibe betenenkinga naloko but lendlela iqhubeka wena bhuti kunetinto lengibese angisatitholi sisi kahle. Lokufaka khathi even timilo tebantu nendlela lebenda ngayo nema decisions lebawathathako kubese sekuba nemkhakha wekukhomba ukuthi la umuntu lesivana naye noma lesiva ngathi sikahle ngayingcono ngilo lona kukanje kukhombisa ukuthi njengoba nisebenda nini la nishutha le podcast le sekunemlova ngathi wena nivana kakhulu noma kungaba nendvo le wrong lenjani yena is always on the right side wena ngala wena nguwe lodumile futhi nguwe lofaka nale mali ngaphaneni ungilomjida nje loyo uyabona so naloko ngikubeketelele ngibe ngabi nenkinga nawo but ezisicubeka indlela esiphilisana nayo ngayo ngiyolegcina ngihlula kakhulu mina indlela bese siphilisana ngayo nalamadvodza lamadvodza for mina nje akhomba ukuthi akhuliseke ekhaya kuningi langa akakufunzi kwesiswati because phela amaswati angikhombe nje kungakhuliseke ekhaya ngoba abantu bayahlonishwa wena but kuthi ngilapha angahlonishwa khona lokhu ngishaye nje tutu my behavior because mina music kimi spiritual but yonke into ngiphusha ngekukholwa nangekwethemba so nangaba sashayisana sine kahle emimoyeni kubese sekubulala yonke le vision lesinayo so but angifuni singene kakhulu kathi ukuthi yabani kanjani because mina bani bangatela music I think kumele ngistikishe kuloko ukuthi bangatela music but lengakusho eziveni sonke nje silele nalababukela ukuthi lokungende engiphuma upscale akusindvo lengicaba ngenyalo kuphela info lengithethe isikhathi ngihlelele phasi ngibuka indlela into etendeka ngayo nema behavior ebantu when it come to lo msebenzi because sasihlanganiswe ngumsebenzi bese ngesihlanganiswe ngilokunye so le behavior nase ingahambisani bese kungeke kulunge lutho pudding lokhu ngibinza ngihleka ngakasithombele sihle ebantwini kanti ngalana ngibe ngathi kahle ukuthi akuhambi kahle njengoba ngisho ukuthi angifuni ukuxoxa indzaba unless sikhuluma ngemusic ngakungcono but ngingaleti into bebadenda bese diphuma nasesandleni diphuma nakuloku lesikwenza
so nokheka phela bokhala le district
hey yabona
lelijabe likhala phela le district lithi hey libala indvincumbi lithi kwathiwa 80% imva lokho 80% awusamtholi imali seyadliwa imali lomunye imusic video director naye celeni
ya lo vele ayikhona leyo nje angeke nginciphetele mntana because nabe phela sithi siyasebenza angeke mphethe artist ang3 kunami nation cast kuna past emva kwalo lo kwenu uyasishutha next usishuthe emabito ikakhoza yabhadalwa ayishuthwanga eupscale naloko kube clear bantu bangacabanga ukuthi mhlambe kunjani njani ikakhoza yabhadalwa ngisisi wami
hayi wena
yes yabhadalwa ikakhoza ayizange seyishuthe eupscale ukuthi kwaphuma imali tabe kikini info lekhona but nangisakhicida liplate lami nami ngikhokha esingile liphasela ne lapho sikhuluma nakweni ngimi ngi3T khuluma kweni no siya arrange senda storyline siyacetha nase kumele ngishuthe yabaleka kweni nase kumele ngishuthe uyabaleka kweni sukushayela 3T uthe asami so shooter past eMozambique so kwakha siphi isithombe kimi keja sithi sima artists sonke la sisebenza as brotherhood njoba pastor ofika kwasho njalo la kuwe Moswati brotherhood sisebenza kanjalo but sekukhona lo shooter yedwa mina ngisashoot by that time pastor makashutha ema video Afro please I was always there nakuthwala kwama nami ngithwala khama nakwendiwa planning ngibe khona lapha but when it come to my role at plane sekuyahleshwa nje kanjalo 3T yena loyo akucuka hayi vele hayi no kokahle hayi inzaba kwena yikho I'm protected pastor cause bavana kakhulu hayi yiki inzaba kwena yikho ayikho solo nje kunjalo kwatiwa ukuthi kunjalo but ngicabanga ukuthi kwakwendiwa mina eslima kuloko uyabo ye comes ngidrophile wandiso angendele ngihambe nakhona kwenu ngimshayela ngiba ngize ngifike kuye ngihlale the whole day ngicanga ngendele material elwandiso in terms of kwakha art cover ne back cover for a track list uyabona
ezesho ubhlungu man awale jana likhuluma libhlungu man kuthi uhethi man zesho man
no akusiko na kanjalo wena So angendele lokho sathe a day kukwende. So nakhona ngibuye esikhulume ngenzaba emavideo aphinza abaleke kweni. But on the other side utshela pastor kuthi abashoot, utshela critic ukuthi akushuthwe pastor. Kwakha silonza siphi kimi le ngithi mina afaka. Bathelela lapha. Uyabona? Because into yayendeka ngeke sithi sipush brother out but sekhona lo ngathi songcono yena. Lo mnye sokabi ngeja nakwendiwa kwakhe nakurola i Afro please noma ngayobuka kuleli page lami lebalithatha bathi lapha. Konke bengikuhambisa ngendlela. Uyabona? Konke bengikuhambisa ngendlela futhi in terms of naka poster past nami ngiyasho past umnakethu uyakhokha in nangijanjani uyakhokha nakushuthwa ngila nasekurola thilandisa sekude emavideo kwenu balekile so kwangilimata kakhulu ngize ngiyoshutha na Ludis because isikhathi siyahamba shothi mina ngifune ngivumele simo so ngoba kwena ke emudini akuhambe isikhathi kumicareer abe busy ngaloku nase kuphinze kufuna yena kwena ukuthi kushuthwe ngibuye ngithi okay kwena kushuthwe angihlanye mina uyabona ayisiyo nje kanjalo yena loyo 3T loyo futhi uphinze wenda bumenemene awunaku sekuyoshuthwa pastor futhi ivideo futhi mina ngihleli ngikhokhe album yashisa siyagiga siphila ngayo sidla yona la ndlela nako sekuyoshuthwa pastor phinze ivideo ebavumile solo ngihleli ukho mjita out besihlala naye le sengithi ngeke ngimention emagama athi hey uyabona yini kuyamoshakala hayi uyabona ezifu ngathi umhlaba noma uyagcina nje lapha kule circle mhlambe ya 3T naye pastor kana ugcine lapho impilo yachube aphinze kwena athi akushuthwe lo ngilapho ngadecide ukuthi ushuthi lana slima ngini and mina la ngapaneni ngiyagiga nangigiga futhi imali yami yagiga uyabona iphinzi isebende kuphusha le ngapha yena lo pastor lo shutha lawo ma video le mali ekurana lama props lawo ibuya kuphi mhlambe khona lapha sebenda khona 3T angimlolo ngadi kude mfethu
uyagiga pastor phela
lo music
uyagiga phela ulartist uyagiga phela nakulethi fanda nala mithi
Yalela bale. Awu.
No, but what do you mean? Aren't you an artist?
Man, okay, ngicela ukubuta. Uthi uyagiga pastor.
He's an artist, yeah.
Nungazi
yeah, guys. You're supposed to gig as an artist.
Ngitshele ke bhuti. Since 2022 to lesikhathi lesikhuluma ngaso nalo lokhuluma ngaso. Umbone kiphi poster?
I don't follow him like that. I don't know. I don't know. Yes, he's an artist. I'm assuming. I know artists. Now artists are gig.
Okay, buya ku social media ungibukele lo. Ufuna ungibukele because phela mele sikhulume maqiniso uyabona. Singambathisi inkulumo because lana agcine kwenteka umfana lomnye slim uyabona. Ungitshele lokho ukuthi ugiga ngakho ungibukele lokho nani sive nihambe nikubuke lokho emaposter la wakho.
Since when?
Since 2022 kuze kufike namuhla. Yabona kafike ku4 noma 3 lawo maposter la ngashatana. Ngabonga ukuthi vele bekwendeka lo. So lemvigcine yakha Silonza ke mfuthi yakhana Silonza lesekwe kuthi segcine yaphuma na ku music sekakha Silonza sekuthi noma ngadibana nemumu vele nje asathelelane manje. Uyabona because lo mnye wendeka Slim ebanela kusho ukuthi nangabe lo mjita lo wakwamnika 2 rand sekufune kusasa uhamba umkhomzi uyawo lo mbondo wami njena ngilo mbondo wami nje lo impila is not about death mfethu kuyavuswana la life in nawe mhlambe nawe ushutha bekhona abantu bani bekakushuthisa angakufuni nix ne
nanyalo sola kafuni lo nganani
akusho ukuthi ke ngoba sekunje sekumele kube njani mina nje lokungishayile kakhulu lamajita ibehavior kwenda tindvu batende tindvu kabe mfowethu kube angifisi nje nekubabona empilweni but yakhili ngeke vele kwendeke sidibana ngeke kwendeke because angicabanga la ngikhona khona abatabe bakhona khona nabo angadi mhlambe ngoba phela ikusasa lemntwasiladi ukuthi lisiphathule but nje angifuni ngena deep kakhulu ngalo
yangichaza ngoba soluthi awufuni ngena deep kepha phindze
ngimuve on angithi ngibuthi indaba yakwenu yevideo lokho bekumele ngikwende kube clear because bekusebaleni wala kungishutha but pastor bekamshutha uyabona lokho nje kusebaleni but and besithi upscale ngeke ngivume lokunye kwendeke kulomunye kungendeke uyabo.
But I think what's important, Lana, to notice, to highlight also, especially as the podcast, as the show, Guti, you are here because people requested Gutubela. and yonke into esikhuluma ngayo la it's out there in the public.
Yeah.
Sikubonile konke kwenteka, sibonile involve kabameli bakho kwathi uthathe ama passport of which sitawungena kiko la. Your former manager wakho 3T.
Yes.
Ngangamsendela naye WhatsApp inombolo yakhe ngamsendela i screenshot kusinaye bamrequestile on the show.
Yes.
So naye 3T if you're watching on the show, it's not like ukuthi kubias ukuthi sifuna kuva Zeshi kuphela. Zeshi so happened to respond while maybe asenga respond, I don't know, maybe ngisatochubeka ngindi follow up nakhona. Yabo, because this is the conversations that we need to have. Why? You have fans, you are a brand. Angeke kwendeke info bese ngiyongithi mina I'm so happy ukuthi you came through because to me it shows also ukuthi Zeshi is actually a chilled artist ukuthi even atende kufuna kutibeke ebaleni ukuthi say guys nani ngasangiboni ngiskimena laba, don't worry because of 1 2 3 1 2 3, not necessarily ukuthi sithi hey because we wanna start beefs what we are just here to tell your story. And lo mentionekile weva ngazi ukuthi naye kunjani, the platform is open ukuthi akete naye atosishaya site lakhe if afuna. Yeah, if afuna but
ngamsita ngoba
so that's what I just wanted to put it out there. This show is for everyone. Good ukuthi maybe it's what. Mina I'm open. I send invites to everyone or request our what's 80. So yeah, that's the case.
Yeah.
Back to social media.
Yeah.
Ngibonile ma social media ukuthi uthi uqale phasi konke uthethe face your TikTok. TikTok uthethe Facebook wathathwa naye.
Yes.
What else was taken?
Everything, Instagram, Twitter.
What's the argument ke lapho kuthiwani?
No, kuthiwa Zeshi besikubambisa kuphusha lama page akho. So sidinga ukuthi usincephetele ngemali ukuthi wathi ngithi njengoba ama page ngatakhela ngeda nawo ngwakhile no. Ngithi phela wena ucangisi kuyadlalwa. Mina ngatshola nje ukuthi this is a war. Ngathi hey majimbi mina ngiyadi mntana babe ngeke ngilwe impi. Wamuke ama page wathi ufuna imali for logo, washinja ama password, washinja even ama emails, washinja inombolo. Kwaba kwawasimelana akahlale naye umngoni mfisela ihlahla futhi akahlale naye actually ama page lengwendanyalo they are growing because lokwendiwe uNkulunkulu angeke uzukuvimba mfana baba engenzandvo yakho, ngimfunga ubaba angeke ukuvimba engenzandvo yakho, lokwendiwe ngumdali angeke ukuvimba engenzandvo yakho ngoba wena impilo iyakuhlula ukuthi iphile kanjani ngoba thina sima artist kufuna simukele Timothy nje ngoba tinjalo ngoba kwakhiwa sithombe. Mina ebhuti ngiyagadla noma nini kude futhi lo ngangilawula ngitshela but lembi wasimelane bekatshela ukuthi mhlambe naka ngimuke ema page that's why lapho kutafike kufe Zeshi khona niyadlala ikhale nan announce ngiya announce same day atikhale mfowethu
na announce
anything naba announce anything mina ngikatse bona tiyakhala but yoloku ikhale njalo nje.
No access.
In
terms of music and splits, kwendekani ma split sheet bekakhona kwendekani yani?
Kude ma split sheet laba khona.
Yo.
Konke kwakamnguni but angisimnguni nengapani ulwele yena yakhe wara ma artist kufuna bawe.
Many was here Meli Hlanze ba documents about copyright. So you saw that thing.
Yeah.
Washo wathi iwish kusahlale phasi nani. You and i-team yakho losuka kiyo kuthi nibone ukuthi nifika ku agreement ngoba kosa ukuthi nisothe lenzaba
le angihlali nemacoki phasi mina
your money but that's your work.
No dog umfowethu music ku straight dog kuyatiwa ukuthi ngapha nemali thathe malini, artist thathe malini, producer thathe malini. We don't need to sit down dog. Music lo noma ungangena manje like internet siyawathi song i-record label because 310 ngomathatha wathi dark yes i-master yebi ngaba yakamnguni but still kumele ngithole ama royalties yena kufuna twena abantu lebathi nickly time ama royalties lawo ekwakha lengoma uyabona. So i-artist idzinga ama percent produce with or without 3T. That is why split sheet is a music artist na producer sisenda ngeke ngapani if imailing ngabona wakutshela lokuthi ayithenga record label kuze send split sheet. Yes. Which means akudzingi ngihambe ngiyokhotha mina 3T.
Yo
akudzingi nje ngikhotha me 3T akakudeserve nekukhothanya ngini for law.
But Guys, by the way, make sure you watch if you are interested in the music business or copyright, split sheets, whatever. Bukela le episode ya Meli Hlanza. It's very important. Nema contact details akawafaka la. So, angeva episode 57, yeah. So Zesh, but what has that done for you? Okay, singafika ukuthi what has it done for you mentally nokuthi uphethe njani? The passport issue. Sabona kuthiwa sokhokha kubhala abameli bakho manje bathi wena passport yakho ithethwe confiscate whatever kwendekani?
Uyathi into lehlupha ke umuntu uyinye wena body. Kuthi wende indvo ngesikhazi ungayeni ke khuseke ekhaya. Indzaba ye passport isala kanjani ku 3T besibuya on another show eDurban. So isale infant yakhe shothi uyibeke ekamereni la. So mase ngithutha ngihambe endlini. Ngimtshela ukuthi ngidawuthi ngipassport yakhe.
Indlu lo rentelwa nguye.
Irentelwa ngubani?
Indlu iphi ngapha soyathutha bohlala naye?
Yes. Angiva lo ukuthi beyirentwa ngubani?
Yabani le ndlu?
Beyirentwa ngubani?
No ngiyabuza. Ngiyabuza but I don't know. But I'm assuming ngathi ukuthi the manager is the one that takes care of everything.
Man.
Yes.
Yabani?
I don't know, you tell me. That's how you are here.
Ebhothi siyangena endlini lapho esihlala khona ne ngifuna ipassport yakho.
Whose house is it?
Okay nje bhuti njengoba ungibuta kanje wena ucaba uthi yabani?
I don't know, I can't make assumptions because ngiyathi formula yena. Mina ngephana ngathi ukuthi nangabe I'm assuming as angwathi music mina. Ngathi kephana ukuthi nangabe kuthiwa Mcebo ngumanager wami. I'm assuming uyelo in charge of everything.
Ngangayiphi as long as Mcebo mhlambe asipana afaka imali yakhe kuleni but hayi nakurana imali yeartist. Ngeke phela sikhume ngemali ema bookings lele rent indlu bese ungibuta ukuthi yabani wena. Ngiko ngisangithi ngikuphemvula lokuthi yabani le ndlu. Usebenza 3T la umathi ukuthi usebenza khona noma iside hustle noma lokwadi.
I don't know.
Bombona nini?
I don't know. Angihla ngimata nawe.
Nako 21 kuyoperforma yangiseshi. So angicabanga ukuthi yendlu sitabuta uthi yabani. Unless wasimelane bekunemali yakhe la ifakako lapha. Enda lokho but
you trying to tell us ona ukuthi yonke imshikashika webusiness borana ngemali yakho
ebhuti wena ngekwati tindvo takho phela
ngicela nasofaka
angithi wena ungibite ngoba ungangati ungibite ngoba ungati ema movements ami yawo
yes
nekuthi ngimove up
I know you
imali beyirent endlini imali ema bookings udla bekuthenga ngema bookings timpahla betugqoka black degree shara to black degree nje naloku kwagcine sebangimuka naye kuthiwa naye akakhweshe uyabona but yes bekuqhamuka ngaloko uyabona so kudla nani bekwentiwa imali emabookings futhi nakude yona bekuba likhuni besimela size sibe nayo even noma irent ishota bekumele ibooking kuzibuye igcwaliswe angiva ukuthi ngiyiphi le mali okhuluma ngamhlambe wena nangabe khona kubuye ama proof of payment hayi ubuye uthona imali yami lengayifaka yini phela zishinaka announce indzaba ukuthi kwentaleni as an executive okaSimelano yini wakhokhi impepha takho zo na ipayment yazeshlet nayi le phela sibone ukuthi instead uphuma ngale yahlanya lona dog hayi ufuna ukhuliseke mfethu ukhombe nje ukuthi umtsala kusasa utaba uphinze usitu announce ama artist lamasha athini wona lama artist nasekucabene wena uzuba wena njena uzuba ukhuluma indvo lengekho lengihambelana even the music because mina even on lengoma lensi i-statement ngikhuluma ngekwe music dog ningi lengakhuluma ngabo ngabhala even 4 my exercise nangathiwa sengiconzene nemuntu nje ngakhona kwenda lokho but ngalokuthi ngi-artist kumele ngichubeke ngemusic
even now we are
mina
talking about
ngiyabona nokuthi kubacakile nje kubacaye kakhulu kona basta kumceke wegcina awumadi nekuthi ungena kuphi lapha engomeni kuyamcaka nje uyadzubela wamasuku but wathi kahle ukuthi nakuthiwa ngengoma ngeke gogo ngeke nje sekude vele kahle lo tangimelana sekuthiwa kuyadiswana abasathi story sethu kahle mbambo sisini lethi izwaye baqoqela nizabadaba yabo kulukhulu nalo creator futhi khona lapha kamasuku ngoba nje uyabona kwakona lokulokwentiwa sekuyeliwa nje ukuthi ngoba naku
this guy
dog if been there dog angeke bese soto udlana nami ngoba sekungena sengicabene nemanagement so uyangenwa wena nawe uyakhuluma sekuprove in ukuthi bebabangani bathi Kim dog but nje ngeke ngidisane na pastor naye kwathi kahle noma thiwa sibonana ningivuswa ngilele ngengoma nje ngamhlule mina emini angeke nje azangidize ma streams noma singenda ishow ende yakhe ngende noma singendele esikom la hlala khona noma thiwa anything let's music nje kude la ngangifulana
Hey, this
kude dog good noma thiwa nganje lokhu music ngeke ngamane bachuba khuluma eTori ukuthi wena wathi bani wathi uyakhumbula usemaswati just because bacakekile ndisikhathi siyabahambela sebadzala ngiko sebaphele kushayisana ngetinhlokozi ngekwe music ngeke mfowethu that is why nasengomeni ngakhuluma ngani ngemusic angeke ngihambe ngiye ku social media yothi pastor wathi hey iTori engacoca ngaye hawu nami ngingacoca nginathi ngicumbi but ngibinzile futhi letsabukisa ngalendlela ekabi but angicoca ngiko ngikhuluma nangemusic nanyaka kuthi ngengoma ngeke noma singenda ishow lela hlala khona noma singadisana live noma singabita abantu kuthiwa sivotela untu like ngatotonke nje nihlangothi la ku music ngeke ngiloko
utawufa mcebo
ngako konke kulo music ngeke so buti kimi nje babe sebakha inhlitiyo ukuthi mina ebona singaphinzi sithelelana nemali and asiyuze vele buti noma kungendakalani but kumele babe aware kiyo ukuthi nyembe temba well pass lokwendiwe uNkulunkulu angeke kufe ngenzandvo yemuntu buti ngumusic lo mina music buti nangacocela story sami ukuthi ngicala kanjani ngamangala
ngathi wasicoca the last time
bese sekufika nje umuntu ngoba uve yatanasa yena Tomisa lokho ngoba sekukhani kayena ayikhale mina ngifuna kushintsha nale mindset yala Swatini into ishintsha mfethu through music lokho usucabe ukuthi ngoba kumele uhambe lana unyathele la kuzufike la kude into lenjalo mntwana baba kwawena ngicabanga sikhona la unyathele khona unyathela khona kuze wende lo ube ne vision yakho ayisukumela and I think ukuthi uNkulunkulu kubusise ngengcondo ukuthi ukhona kwenta lo maybe sekufuka umvu athi utokumisa ukuthi wende lo wena injalo nje mbana baba
hey kwatile intwana encane madoda intwana encane is in the building
baba ngakwathi nje futhi relaxe
uyashisa and it's funny because I like the way lokhuluma ngakhona because a lot of people ungasine wabita kule show uthi abakhulume indlela bathi expressa ngayo kutaba like uyabona sugar coating here and there hey this is a podcast my man we don't give a fuck at the end of the day shout out to Young Zesh because you're here to tell a story this is we need the deliverance to come through so basashela ngejourney ye passport ukuthi eCameroon
so nakufika kanjalo uthi angithumele intwana yakhe khondwana yakhe kona ngithathe iyangena intwana ethi ayiboni ngithatha imoto ngiyahamba ngithusa ndodana
wasothenga imoto
no angathengi imoto ngidayithenga kahle angathengi imoto ukubita umngane nami sathatha sami nangifika kule ndle sengihlakiwe malume manje ipassport yami ngisengekho endlini Dabu uyithatha ngiyamshayela angikhona namhla passport akasatholakala kwegcina nangifuna passport athi hayi wena wafika wangena lapha endlini webe flash le passport beyila celeni wafika uthatha iflash washiya le passport wahamba umbuto wami uthi ngendeki ngibone njalo yini ukuthi ungangena endlini uyothatha iflash ipassport ushiye lokutela uhambe yini lo lokungaka lokulapha flash ngoba nengoma tamtonke nginato yonke into lengeke ngayirelease khona nacingweni ipassport kuyakha kuphinza uyende kuthatha vele isikhashana netimbasha usekufuna ngithatha iflash mina ngishiya ipassport ngihamba usho kanje but ile khona bebangayigathi movie yami ukuthi ngingayenda so kwabashaya vele ngicanga kube bebakhona ekushaya stroke ngasabashaya stroke bebangayigathi le movie ukuthi ngendeka kwabacaka kakhulu kwabathusa cause bangathi ngekuthi umfana lo wana semakhaya ngathi lutho lo yabatendela nje but I promise you mfowethu diset yakhala emaswada yakwathi la kudla kona la kutsandzako sitawuphakela so sitawupheka siphakele sonke sitawubona kutadliwa kuphi tawudliwana uyabona cause mfethu angeke nje ungitshele wena banene ukuthi wena unelungelo lonke lokuthi ngisho ndaba yabona wasayina idili ya 12 malibaba azaye sebamuka social media yakhe cause bamrespect akule crap leyo la yakhile yena as a person
bakasayina naye kule rebel
ezini ambitious nasekahamba bamni abathatha ama page uyabona abathatha lona sekuphushwa skasi nje la uyaza discuss sekuphushwa skasi nje Thathwe ama-pages vele kuthiwa iyabulawa artist ungayibulala njani into le njalo uyibulala ngaliphi sekubanjwe ama-page kuphushwa scarce plus because abekho ready lo mshina logaya imali umile nyana umshina logaya imali so freezing ulokhile
the money making machine
yeah so umile so sekuzanywa tonke taba ukuthi vele akabiyele phasi ngiyasho nakhona ngisini yathi kulomgodza ngilo lo kanti yaku angisekusithele because lokhu ngiyakwati ukuthi kusuka kuphi akukacala ngawe phela upscale bayivele khona iphushe emathis namanje solazaba aphusha yabo it's not like i-popularity yami yendiwe upscale yabona ngoba if i-upscale ne strategy lesikanjalo mfethu ema-artist bekakhona lapha na cast bekakhona na Buster bekakhona PIC bekakhona lapha why bese sekubanga imi nje lo lokuthiwa waphushwa kwendekatini unganawa lamanye bekaphushwa nawo lokhu kukhombani lokukutshelana na bhuti isikhathi semuntu nakungisongiso akusiyinsandwe emuntu insandwe yaNkulunkulu mntana baba ngoba nama artist amanye akhona akhicida lo mnyanga atsokhiciye ngakho mali ba ngabona uhamba yedwa la Swatini kepha still growing stage wo provela kona ukuthi isikhathi semuntu asihlelwa ngumuntu sihlelwa nguNkulunkulu uyabona angeke bese wena sofike wena sothi umsebenzi wami lo mandla wami lawo kanjani dog kanjani ngoba naye mandla akho afake wa-apply kulala abanye phela aba-apply nangabe nje uthi wena kuze mina ngigcume kahle nginebhanana mninge ebhanana nayazuba uyabona sho kuya ngesikhathi semuntu dog isikhathi semna kwamina nje isikhathi semna sesiphele sitabe siphelile noma sengafuca kwani bathi ngeke siphele but saphefumula angeke mbana baba
passport wayithola ngakho sakhelenye
ngasitwa ngisakhile ngihambule usazijaya yagcinela ndwe nguye passport nakhona so ilanza ngangati ngaliphi but shots khona la bambe kangako lo Jaco sayi release ngoba bekafungile ukuthi ngeke kude lata kukhokha ngicabanga ukuthi sakhile mhlambe kukhona laba kwadiko bona ngathi but nje yabe siyakhona kubuya passport wami shout out to Sakhile
na
history
and it's so funny because the last time yakhumbule last time ulana ukuthi besina Sakhile la studio how no it's beautiful
yeah, shout out to Sakhile so ngibo labazama bagcine bayithola uyabona ipassport yami mina nje ngizabe upscale ngifuna negive angifisi nje na angingenela nje nekuthi kuthini kwendiwa ndethi sizwaye noma bakhuluma tindzaba tabo I don't give a damn dog mina ngishaya span sami kuphela
but 2022 3 4 2025 shothi una 4 years 3 years upscale so na ubona isithathulo siyakushisa onke eminyaka lengaka and even more awukasign na pass you could have left the moment nje ubona ama men ukuthi
akafuni na uhamba ulingisela ama artists lahambile abesaphelele emoyeni umusic ufuna ufunze mfowethu ukuthi na kwendeka imistake kube khona lokufunza ngale mistake leyo cause wahambiswa ienga kuningi lotazi na uphuma ucakeke kiyo kufunena kwendeka tonke letindlu ubuka ufunze wathi uthona nje uphumela na usuka la onyathela la ungayiswa ienga uyabona cause umusic uthi nga strategy na but nekwati lokungiko nalokungasiko ngawo ngiko ngithi ngiyakusaba ukuthi ungabithi artist leliswati letihlabelela ukuthi utoyisayina cause kusasa nakwendeka lemvu seyikhanyiseleka ngayo ngoba wena utofuthi hayi no boy siyaphusha la sesiyaphusha ngasense wena akhe ma agreements uyat copyrightela uyadistributela mhlambe futhi uregistera wena asad cause a lot artists like ingoma which is wrong so konke kumele ukufunze mfowethu ungaphaphateli kuthi ngoba ubathi labang nje uvela usuku cause akhona ema artist laphumile upscale lamanye uyabona kune move le ndiwa Nkhedaro nje waphuma khona wathi nakaphuma for me bengimathi ngimbone khona but wathi nakaphuma kwase sekuyehla uyabona like which means kukhona tintfo letaleka kulokuphuma kwakhe ne strategy sekuphusha saphume khona cause Nkhedaro is stop vele ngeke kubalekele lokhu but kwabese sekuyehla le ngaphungaphi kwaba ngathi noma vele sovalelekile njengoba sekubuka ngathi vele shothi no laba bebenda kancane so letindvo ngitsini wena banele ngithi tifunze tonke letingono te music ungaphumiswa ienga mbana babe cause nomphumtaki labanye bende same thing usuke ugcine kube bethe artist ugcine kungumuntu nje wasestrateni ma artist akafunziseke mntwana babe mina nje ngisibonelo kiyo ukuthi akahamba atifundzise ngemusic before athatha any decision singachutshwa ipassion kakhulu nelithando laleni sihambe sifundziseke ngoba lento iphinza icaka ekusasa uthi uyamemeta kanti vele ukhanzina ukumemeta wakhakusithi lo muntu watsayina wathi njenje uthi uyamemeta ukhanzi succeed lo muntu music ucopyright engayo akuchathi lokho nuhleli bothi njanjani wena ucanga sikuyadlalwa lani nje inzaba which is wrong because wonke umuntu kumele ekhanseleke ngiyicontract imcwa because icontract isho ukuthi sidosebenta kanjani noma ngabe icontract lengatheni mfethu ukuthi mhlambi iyakhunga ezul artist but ikhanyisa lokho ukuthi ndosebenta kanjani
nashaye gentleman agreement
sine savumelana ezimathi
manje kodwa kwasayina
kude khona
manje le mali bowathi beyikhona transparency ukuthi Zeshi ubhukiwe maybe nayi gig ubhukwe kamanzini ngiyabekisa
yebo
ubhukwe nga 30,000 like le transparency usinawubhuka uyabona nawe ukuthi hayi siyasplita even noma
bekangitshela mina treat ukuthi onye lokune gig lebuyaphe ngibachache emalini but imumva bese katendela cause bese kapilva lokho mhlambe ne-trust kuloko la kwendaba akasathini ukuthi angitshele ukuthi
like uyabona yini ma-invoice
no ma-invoice nebhuti ngangiyeke ngakhokha ngake ngaba nesikhathi sekuyohlahlela emehli i-invoice
but ifendwa nge-PDF most invoices shakudingakali nokuthi
sengishelo ukuthi mina ngiyibone
why
angadi ke bhuti but akake kwendeka lokho bekangitshela mina ngemlomo asendela handle
lokusho ukuthi there's a possibility ukuthi bengathiwa ubhadalwe wena 10,000 bese utshela ngemlomo kuthiwa ya 5,000
ikhona kule
phindze kufunakale ikhathi
yakho lokho ikhona possibility because kukhona nje show iAfrica Fest lebekunabo Eris khona na Sun L ngibani lomnye bendeke sibebe yes lapho bengibhukhwe nga 7,000 wangitshela ukuthi bangibhukhwe nga 5,000 I think bekunabo takhe afuna ukuthi sort uyabona so ngiyolenye into leyo bese nayi young confuse because kuphuma kwami akusinto yanamhla kuphela kuningi lengikubonile ukuthi okay lokho sekuyanginyathela but kuze ngikhona because bese ngiartist le solid mfethu akukameli uthathe decision ngeanger mbana babuthi nje ugcwele iganga bangicapha usuku ukukhanzuma emgwaqweni ngethi umemete ukuthi bayakucaphana awusathi nethi ushonephi kwawena so yonke music uapply skills sekuthi ifunza mina nje ngiexample la yonke artist ukuthi ayihambe itifundzise ngemusic singaphushwa ipassion because masiphushwa ipassion kungafika artist namhla kimi njenganaye ngoba sengivula mabona bla ngithi no boy sitawusebenza kasona ngisendele umlomo upscale nangifika lapha mina nasengiuploada sengenta konke ngene Mzwandile Gininza executive producer Mzwandile Gininza
ngowe Mzwandile Gininza
yes ngibuye la kuwe artist is right ngikhokhela ingoma yami ngicokoma ngizawo tonke wa good to go angathi nethi kwakho malini ahamba njani ema streams online khona indlela imali enginako konke lokho treating ngifuna kuregister kaSambra hayi kude isidingo saloko sidabuye like yonke into nje le ipaperwork beyifucwele eceleni endloko bekutshela something because basta kwakhe bekuhamba ngendlela wona sikami ukuthi boSambra uregistered kaSambra into takhe be district but mina artist lelingathi akutholakala ukuthi konke nje kuyahlehliswa when it comes to paperwork futhi ngize ngacabana nema artist kulwandiso album ngenza be ma split sheet angithuba baleka so lo uyayikhulunyisa ngibathi 3 team artist afuna split sheet hayi split sheet sani dasenda lento leyayisebenza le hayi bo iyasebenda lembo mfethu kusebenda yona ngoba iagreement yena ubalekela le agreement le pass ufune kube nale physical ngoba ngeke uyiprove uyiprove kanjani ukuthi savumelana sathi ngoba nami nangipike emajitama upika akho wena siphikisana ngaloko sidaba ngathi sidinhlanya song bomuntu uyenziwa nje babaleka ngenza be split sheet se-3 lo mjito ufuna split sheet sakhe ngicela hayi nani like yonke into nje yathi
today
there's this guy somnyama lo pusha spash manje wafika kithi athi ufuna usibambisa kuthi aphushe mina ohanjiswa yini ngilento le yokuthi yonke into nje hayi athi utangifuneli angifungitfoleli interview ka SABC 2 fune ngekhona treat no hambe na memi senifake na bus like uyabona ukuthi lento always nabe kutovela into wena ufuna wathi uthi utawumemisa artist lelinye no akuyiwe bo lento somnyama wadvuka Dr.Total wathi ayizeshi mina understand isipana njani amajita akho yonke into nangisingeni lenye langa ke silansa yona lelwandiswa album ngifuna ema feature nangisini somnyama uthi ungihlanganisele ema feature requesta same people naye pastor naye ufuna lapha ekuse dog pastor simeminyaka the whole year dog apusha afro please ngimele ukuthi nase kusipana mina sekubangwa yona leyo traffic uyayibona sengiphela nawe so uyabuya la ngekhathi sekufune kwentiwe esibhicongo which is wrong because mina ngammela wasipana ngendlela yakhe so mnyama wathuba dog wayeke cause nakwenteka into ufune ngathi ngaphele lokho sekuprove ipower ukuthi wena uvana nalo awuvani nalo enda kusebenzeke kanjani cause ngalana sakasithombe sokuthi si upscale isithatha umswati umculo waseswatini simi bani bavuma ba celebrate lokhu lesibanikeda bona uyabo so mina bekumele ngifunze ukuze ngikhone kuwina lembi nalabamla cause bengeke ngiwine kalula cause if kude lebe ngingakwadi ngangikuphi na ubuka wena banele manje ngoba utafika ngibuthi uthi yini le ngisangane lambi kwakho ngoba ngiyadi ngathi kuhlabela kuphela which is wrong so nje iningi mina lengakutshela kiko mina bengeke ngikhona iphinze grow up big ngisese upscale ngalo ukuthi sengilona thuluzi lele kwakhe imali generate imali kule ngapani so bengeke ngisaba ne bigger vision ukuthi mhlambe ngiyosipana nabo bani kubuku just because nakwenteka kanjalo which means bona basalele emuva which means yena 3T so tawufana nemuntu nje ngicumbe emadili laveli Black Diamond yathi ngitekiyo e-studio 3T wakubalekisa lo malume Vector wathi ngite studio sisipane 3T wakushanga esandla lokho uyabona so kuningi nje ma-deals beka-good even somnyama beketa nemadili laphilako bonke abi-records kanini le mcoka for mina mfethu lokhu mcoka ukuthi ngi-upscale noma mcoka ukuthi ngithuthukise ngikhule kulokhu lengiko nami ngiconnection nje simekhaya o lokhu mcoka ukuthi nje ngi-upscale mina upscale ayisiyami phela ya 3T
and ungafitha ncamashinga kabi records
and ngisho umdlalo webhola bafethu uyasuka kuChiefs ekusundowns sekusundowns ekPirates just because it's me ngimlonga thathe simele ngibe la mina bangibhikishe kuthi ngaphela bese sengiyakhwesha ne so wrong lemfo leyo mfethu akugame ma deals lamahle bekakhona incumbi awashaye ngesandla lenye langa nje pastor wazothi izeshi bobuka manje letinye tinto natendeka ngoba hayi la cause kwayena pastor besikhuluma thina naye akhuluma into lephilako but ngalokho singumjita wakhe 3T phinze bakhulume babe all right ngagcine ngabona ukukhuluma na pastor wrong cause ugcineni ngokonke kuba ngimlolo wrong ne so angeke ngisakhuluma lutho naye so lemfo leyo wena but wrong mina nje ngaw-advise ama-artist ukuthi angathuswa ukuthi umfune studio sekurecorda afollowishe yonke into ukuze because music kusasa uyabhadala abafethu akukameli uthi khanze uma ngalo uve music athi kungene 50,000 kuyi nima royalties wena uyachakeke yini ma royalties awukake wenda split sheet awuka register inzawo kebhul superstar aseswatini upstate mfethu lide lembo leyo madoda singakho isithombele singasisasendeni lokungiko singa-use bantu abantu bese sakha isithombele sihle
bathi bagcokisa balance
uyabona
bagcokisa balance
emzayona
awona mzayona ivideo
so
athi wena bakuthatha bakufaka kubothi bahlala kuphi bathi wena bakuthatha bakufaka kuphi lenza what's the name of the place
mawala
bathi akusinza bala ngahlala khona le superstar lelinye yangizeshi umgcokisa balance yakahle
emzayona so wena futhi
awufutile le balance yakhe
emzayona yabona
phela uyingenele lenzayo
awayingene because mhlambe naye lokunye uyakwathi phela akacala ikubatinyalo bo 3T so wena but once ungavula iroom uvula indlu uvula estudio uthi accommodate abantu kumele ukwende lo na ungafuni ihlupha umuntu umyekele lapha estradini mfana babe ungathi ngoba wena somfeke le ndlu lo ivula ukutafaka abantu bese kusasana sekuvela lokuhle noma sekafise kwenda lokuthi ukuvimbe just because wena umfakela ikahle mfethu ngeke that's being greedy mfethu ufuna ukugomela kwezakho we mina nje ngiyafisa kubona emaswati lamanye akhula music kwaze ndikutowendeka lokho disemna I promise ngabatekile emandla ne kukhona labacabanga ukuthi ngese kwendeke lokho labanye baze bakhuluma nje basakathi bale boSwas TV nasenze kwendeka nje wasuka lena wawa nazeshikwe yewena story sami nasenza asifani mina lemnqola bengifuqa mina ngifuqa ndahlulwa yini kuyifuqa manje manje tabeka dlathi lo sekuhlanyelwe mfowethu kube mandla phela dog if besisebenza ngekweliciniso mina ngina 10 uma music video album lena 15 weningoma album lena 10 unangakho ama video lo watiko wena unangakho pastor wema video kecha si upscale si brother
Ngabuda mina now first interview ngathi why is it ukuthi wena udrope under the company page kepha lomunye adrope eceleni yakhumbula ngobude umuntu wathi wena hayi wathi hayi in wahaza besina nangumqheko wahaza ngasho ngathi oh but love is blind Basayini mina bengidibuta lo ngithi as an artist you have to have your own portfolio ube ngikuthi njengabo Big Zulu siyathi ukuthi onke lama artists lana ongabi records anawo ama channel our own
futhi batimele ngana baba bane studio tabo bakhona like it's flexible dog but nase kunemuntu umgagile kanje mina ngeke ngibekisena senze mbana babe ijourney yasenze mina eze yangizesha
bobani laba bekisena senze
uyabona le Source TV labanye basakade basele lo mfana sotaku kwanyalo ulingisele senze onkolingisele
which is painful ukuthi you can't really joke about something like that because sizama uplifter but senisikhathe ukuthi siwe
ku-wrong shothi wena into lo ngayigatsa
on a big platform imagine
lo ngagatsa endingafe ngaphatha kabi nje indzaba ka Source TV yangiphatha kabi kakhulu uyabo kuthi kutawukhuluma athi sebendi ukuthi oh yangize solingisele senze utakuwa i-wrong lembo le mina esenza ngiyathi ijourney yakhe angiyathi agreement yasenze nale
bekasebenza and kwendekala kusho banga ukuthi uwile sicale lapho
uyayibona which means lembo ikabi naye kanjani nalothi utabekisal artist ngalelinye
kukabi nje
one different story different uyabona uyayibona so i-wrong lembo le
29k voice le yafa khona suit
mina nje buti ba wrong kusho kanjalo and the mindset aseswa phela mina kude lo wangifaka egamini ukuthi ngafakwa ngibani nemntwana babe ngashaya inhlupheko nami ngasho lengikucabanga kona lengikubona by the time lindelwa amafa mina umuntu enhla yomshout angilo wangifuna ingoma tami ngisesikolweni wathi dlala eRadio no ready bese ngidlala eRadio ngisesigele mina kwathi nakuqala itinvo letiningi angibide angiphushe for lo nangumle ngiva ngathi mina kukhona la kwentile ke because vele bengengitiyele eRadio by the time ngibani bengingathi utaphuma phu ungenephi uyabona litebesha liyahamba liye kubo 3T bathi bol mixa kabusha lise redweni liyatidlalela nawe ndeni futhi bese ku general la bengisebentela khona bengilalele every day so ngumuntu engam appreciate kakhulu mina ku journey yami uyabona because kukhona la kwentile zinele kumele siqinisekise phela mntwana babe ukuthi mina na upscale bekufune sithi partnership hayi ukuthi mina ngisayinwe upscale ngicreate kuphi upscale because icebesha ngilakhe ngedwa na sithi ezulwini even most of the song lapha kulandi song takhena eceleni na sithi yini kani create umuntu
akathola split sheet naye sithi
sithi ukhalela split sheet sakhe
yo
kuyabaleka ukuthi kwendiwe split sheet kecha sithi siyaspana dog yabona sithi lenye langa uzubuye uyabalisa kimi just because unalo lingo lokungibalisela vele uproduceile mfethu entinto tiyaspana obvious usibona siye emashowini nabo 3T naye ufakile isandla uspanile uyabona sekuba wrong lento seyakha even isilonza kibo labangani bami labo nalama artists lengwafeatureile kwakha silonza kuyabaleka lokuyiphephawe nje kuyabalekela mara siyasebenta swati music kuthi into lenjalo khohlwa nje sikhulumeni send into leliqiniso sisimelele emaqiniso singakhulume manga asimeleleni info lengiyo uyabona singambathisi inkulumo mina kude nje lengambathisela inkulumo na when it comes to the music industry waseSwatini kude umle ngambathisela inkulumo kude lengambathisela inkulumo cause sengiyibonile nalokuthi bacabanga ukuthi sisebenta kanjani ayi kanjalo mfana baba uyabona uNkulunkulu nangabe indlu uyenda consistent uthembela kiyo and reception lo ithola kubantu fihli chubeka uyende mfowethu kude umuntu ongafika vela athi hey sikubukile wena kutaba njani kude into lenjalo unganokucalelele yini bangakubukubane lulela ukhona khona emgodzini bakuthatha bakuthinsita khona bakubonza uyovele kubukiwe ngoba wena solapha soyakhona kuphawula
bayaphawula
soyakhona kuphawula ngoba namhlanje ngizesha uphumile upscale soyakhona ukuthi utawuwa njengabani bani uyayibona and nje that's disrespect even kulo bani lo shiwo Because nini engineer at the same time nithi sipusha leave but nje overview at into nikhulumele nikufunako. And wrong lemvo leyo mfethu. Wrong kakhulu. So mina into lengidecide kuyena. Hlale line la mfethu lo ngibhukile lo ngangibhuka akangibhuki. Uyabona because lemvo lena ayisinsani kude la Swatini lo mengehle banele ukuthi nguye lobu entertainment nguye lo siphasela imali nguye lo siphilisa sonke siyazama uyabo endakameli nazama bese sesiyagilana noma sekuvanga nje khona umuntu ofuna abachade kangcono ngoba kunjani njani usuke lo munye uposter uthi imnangwade emaswada Tanzania ngoba nje lo muntu akahlabeli uyamemeta uthi lo mnyawo ngani nabo sijava bayamemeta bondaba boyangstana bamemeta shothi ngilaba mlaba selenini lelikahle wena njengoba uhleba kwente kanjani kinginini ngalo ukuthi la ngibhasta ngalo ukuthi la uyakhuluma dog ukhuluma njani nje kana usatopinza ufune kufida abambu music ukhuluma into loyifunako cause phela nangabe yangizeshune mangabanela singambathisa into inkulumo akuphume phela lapha eupscale kuthi nayi imali lenje nayi lenje lana kwahamba kanje yini kungendeki lokho if unemanga yangizisho ayisibek khuluma story letingasito letingekho relevant even kuloko lesikhuluma ngakho
when do you have proof on your end in ukuthi
mina ebhuti yonke imbo lengishoko ngayimelela futhi noma nini that is why umeli wami solo ibambela ibambe khona 31 bloka nekumbloka ungabloka iloya mfethu ayibloka shi ngoba sembangela sicefe wazi wathi no utawudrayisa ufuna le case ngathi ngathatha umnyaka wonke atokhona announce emathis la masho utshela mina
but the relationship sayiphelile vele
ayuzi bekhona
ha
ayuzi bekhona mfethu uyabona kuyendeka abantu bacabane kuyendeka futhi bantu lo mnyathi ukise emgodini kani usho ukuthi uvela ufuna ukuyisa mbambe emgodini so seyimbi leyo but there's no way nawe kwakho ukuthi ivikele kuthi ivikela kule mbi leyo kwakho ukuthi ivikela nanyalo nje ngiyafisa kube litime akuthiwa liphila hlehle kahle ngaba yendeki yonke lembo le buka sengikuthi nje liyagula nana because litime belinako even kupicture lokho sisasebenza kuthi mnemzwande lo mvakha ngimtholo uyachaphazela inithole nje hayi ngibaleke ngishonele
njengoba nakimi wabaleke
ngibaleke ngishonele uyabo so kube nje uyaphila kahle ngaba yendeki yonke lento because lokuningi kwakhona njengebuzala bakhe naye bekakubona so angeke ngivumele endeki kulamanye ama artists noma wasimelana ngazazame kulwa ngadiphi indlela angeke ngize ngiyekele because wrong umfuna wrong ufuna admit ebhuti kuthi ngwrong acolise kuchubeke nempilo but wena nasothi ungamani uZulu uzofika uyongena ethuneni uyayibona ukuthi isho ukuthini mfowethu isho ukuthi nama ngisukume ngihlome ngitimele phela naso utawulwa wena uzofika ethuneni mina nje inzabe yabskela ngiva noma wamasuka ngaza
how much do you think they owe you now bekathiwa now bafika ku point ukuthi kuthiwa sifuna ukubhadala phuma kithi or whatever we settling everything
amending the wound
amending the wound and everything
uyabona kube wena bhuti sasikhuluma ngemusic kuphela ngangiyayiphemvula lento leyo but bonana pastor uyakhumbula ukuthi bahamba baposta in tinkulumo tabo do you know ukuthi umfuna afike kule position leyo ngempilo usho singalamaye amagama ngabulala nokuthiwa nje wa rape wena thiwa wena washaya umuntu uyayibona ukuthi babukele ema move kakhulu nemajena kubo state ukuthi iartist lens bathi yendani ubuto okuelaborate la kimlaswatini ucabanga ukuthi kutawuphinze kusebende ngalo njengoba kwenda kubani bani ngeke mfethu
man bazame info le black sort of blackmail or what
bakuposta it was on social media
did you catch it
it was on social media
we missed it song
bafethu
never saw
anything waposta uthi ngarape yebo waposta ukuthi ngishaya umfati bathi phola pha kubangamarket show wapha indvodza leshaya umfati wafakaza bo pastor uyabona
sekufike lapho
kwafika lapho awushothani bonanga phela I think someone waba alert ba delete I think by tomorrow le angathi ba delete nini ba delete fast but bani bakubona lemvule lo mnyazo wathi hey madoda singagodla uthe 3 yangi zishure phi ngeke siyekele kanjalo lenza because phela bekazama kona lo mnye umfana ngiko ngithi mina good vele ngikhuluma nabo 3
Ya wena sehambe yafika lapho
yahamba
lenzaba.
yafika
Manje shothi nini sinani ngabonana phela emgacweni nyalo lokuthi phuma lana ngasuka lithu.
good elithule lingasuka bhuti ngihlelelaneni lami good elithule lingasuka kude mbamba wahamba na pastor wa poster uthe Zeshi utshele 3T wathini silambile sina cast uthi cast ke pastor okay angikhombela kasho khona njalo Zeshi nginginini angithi sekwendiliwana ngade ngimixela ngimasterele cast kwakhiwele ukuthi naye ngithe angiyeke lokhona kusale emoyeni ngidengandenga kubebede ukhona cast nakuthandi benginayo isipana uyabo naye ngoba usipana nami washayelwa kwathiwa akakhethe iside ukuthi uhamba na Zeshi noma namasuku
Khona Zeshi.
kuthiwa akakhethe iside I'm telling you dog yeah kuthiwa akakhethe iside waphuma phela cast waqala cast kuthiwa akakhethe iside ukhetha njanje iside wena lo ungahlangani naye shothi mina ngoba ngiphuma upscale ngithi cast angasakhulumi na 3T ngisho njalo kanjani kuthiwa akakhethe iside cast nyalo uthomba namanzi emvula noma nayangize kusho kanje
Bathi sithi siyakha.
sakha nesingaqambe manga singayengine emaswati bafethu emaswati singawakhohlisa sisebenzeni ngekweliciniso singakhohliswe emaswati sithi siyashebenda
Hayi Zeshi bofuna amabhamsa man. Saloku kumuva nemabhamsa.
ngeke ngiyathandaza mina bhuti umthandazo wami uyafika
Thandaza bese banemabhamsa ayekile ndzaba khona ekhuluma wey. Sengibe mina nema situations njengana akho I wouldn't be comfortable my brother.
nah no
Eish.
I do not like comfortable mfethu
Hey.
mina ngikhuliseke ekhaya so tinzo ngiyakhona ukuthi manager ngibi labantu baposta kuthiwa ngirephile kwathiwa wazi lo munye hawu manje nini nabinzelana rap phela ngoba nizurepile lento ikhulume kanyalo ngoba sohambile
Hey.
mfethu which means nisengikubude nje mina banene do you think wena kude lengakhuluma nga-3T nje lokungahambelana nemusic nawubuka general
I don't know.
na phela nje
But considering ukuthi umuntu ohlala naye of course you have something to say.
Kukhona.
Yes.
Nami ngingakhuluma but akukamele kufike esigabeni sekuqaka esigabeni zothi mina nje noma kungiqakwani angeke sengikhulume ngokuthi bani wendani ngiyibona bas no ngaqhuba ngibambela ku music kuthi ku music vele la ngema streams ngibashayile lana kunjani ngilabe ngikhuluma ngayona
le bahlade emachere unakuthengela abantu
yabona mina ndaqhuba ngibambe ku music kuthi ku music kwendekani istory nani ngicoca leti te music
hey seta kumabona bulawe records of course ovuli record label announceile shout out on that and new music and new projects safuna addressa lesishwamba kanye sicethe at some point we were based in South Africa bekathini ema logistics lapho bekuhamba kanjani ehlaleni kwakhe South Africa in believe inombolo yakho lenye nje inombolo yakho lebenginafo the first time bekuyi South Africa then bengifuna ukubuta le ngishi question ngingayigcina ngayibutile ukuthi mentally the whole thing the situation we receive enjani phethe njani yonke so ngicela siqale ngale Jozi bese sesibuya lokuthi situation
uyabona ke lese Jozi ngiyafisa naye noma safikile la nimbude ukuthi eJozi beniphila njani benirenta ngani ungibudele nje lo
what was the whole point of going to Jozi in the first place take us through the thing
I think influence le baba nayo namasuku because bebake baya baphinze babuya so ba plan relocate ukuthi no nawuva nje bavumile ukuthi 3T wathathe nduku siye cause a million people ain't enough for us which means shows bekuyozanywa uthepa into new territories kusekuyobhildwa kwakhiwe ligama mhlambe likhulele khona ngale sibe thutane nembumelelo ngoba emathi phela ema record labels zakhona khona lapha uyabo bathe kwangisida lo ke Jozi ngoba kwenda ngakhona kwakho music lo ngoba mina nangakho ingoma mnganami it's either ngiyahila noma it's either ngijabulile ngiexpressa kujabula kwami mina nje angiyakho ingoma ukuthi ngicaba sitawuhlabela ngayo akwendeki lokho mina nangakho ingoma makusuke kuyimvo le yendeke kimi noma lengiyibonile yangithinza noma yangijabulisa or yangikwatisa umusic wami ulapho but awukho ukuthi namhla sihlabela ngani ngadali okay singathi ngihlabela isikole yabona wena icomposition ukuthi kuba nesihloko no ngihlabela lo kwendeka lokwendekako that is why nawunganake emaswati akusikuthi ngeke ngithi ngiyaqayisa ukuthi angisupport obanjani but ma situation nabo laba away ngabo uyabona ukuthi nawe info leke yakuvelela mhlambe noma loyibonini so bekanjalo sokuba seJozi bangisita kakhulu kwakha lo music because ma situations bengidibana nawo maningi kakhulu but angenda ngaba indvodza ngakhona kucina
leJozi
ya ngeke ngichaze ukuthi siphile kanjani but kuya eJozi ayishimvana babe hayi nani simo sabalikhuni
yakhala lendvodza
sabalikhuni kakhulu simo but nje kwangisita because mina the time mina kwendeka situation wena banele ungangikhathi ekureacteni ukuthi uze shuta usala njani mina ngempopeni futhi umpopho yangiphilisa mina uyangakha uyangihilisa
yakubhadala
futhi nangijabulile ukhona next express ekujabula kwami that is why now yiva lengoma bane nawo nestory lesifana nesamuva ngathi isho ngcokuwe kanti nami mhlambe bengikule situation le
but do you think there's still a need yini as creatives angingasho ukuthi as musicians as creatives ukuthi sihambe se-South Africa in order for us to blow up
kodwa isidingo saloko but kunema-artists lasahlele emzansi iminyaka neminyaka yathi mapcoming anganani lapha eJozi stick la shisa mbamba shaya number ane quality lendlula ngisho lo yakho lo uyiphethe la uthi uyozama khona so lokho umcoka mfowethu iPR andikusithi imali simaso uyabona kube kuthiwa siyakhona kubambiseka kahle enibasheni ngase ikhona athi sangisho ukuthi kude athi silenkulu eSwatini but lenkulu leyaphinze ya-achieve kahle ya benefita thini impilo yashintsha through music kulukhuni sengcono betela mfowethu sesitwa ukuthi ongathi ibaneni lapha ngathi kuba kanje uyabo so I still like ngifila ngathi kumele man kwendeke lokho ukuthi sibambise angathi ngibani ngisho ukuthi khona kumele sibambise but nje kufane namanye mave because Lesotho bangalikhomba superstar la khona eMzansi bangalikhomba la khona eNigeria balikhomba la khona so nathi kumele silikhombe
and the protect triangle leave the nation is patriotic William Last eBotswana
so something like that
in Botswana onke amadili acaca kwanikwa yena
amathole amadili lendvodza yabo MTN ngibekisela khanga na MTN nabo Swazi Mobile nabo FNB like do something mfethu lokuthi le artist libe nendvu lelikhona ukuthi lethe singwa ngoba lokho akukho consistent kangoye kuba ukuthi uyohlala ugig but now la artist lamanye lale mave now aphiliswa ngiloko mfana babe because the music alone yes it's working but for a certain period of
mina nje just a disclaimer i-bank account ye-podcast ku-0 yengirana nje le-podcast nje ku-0 nathi sine-team besibuke ama-bank balance because nathi we travel, we do stuff, we do everything so I get where you're coming from nangabe ukuthi i-platform lengangalena solo naye babathi mehlwana of course we knock doors we've knocked somewhere but siyabona ukuthi eish Pinze we have to go knock again but I get where you're coming from ukuthi the music alone angeke izikhona ukufanda yonke lo mshikashika yabo so I get you as a creative so mentally where are you ufila njani how did the whole situation
okay mayendeka le nango le situation yathuthi ngayitolo kwakhona bengekho kahle nje mina so ngicangisi bengifila kona lokho makwendeka lokho ngayitolo bengise studio ngirecord music nabacala benda lokukhuluma ukuthi yangizish 1 2 3 yangizish this and this mina I was pushing my music my upcoming music bengibhizi ngaloko and lokwangisida kakhulu futhi ukuthi ngibedudane ne-microphone ngikhona ukurecorda because kube bengihleli nje noma ngikuphi ngihleli betongi affect but I can affect kakhulu in such a way that even my parents beba feel more pain kwendlula mina ngathi mina mhlamba ngibuva lobuhlungu ukuthi kwendakalani but mina benginale hope ukuthi mina as long as ngathi ukuthi mina ngiright kuko konke lokwendakalako yonke into iyohlala ihamba kahle uNkulunkulu ngeke akuyekelele lokho ukuthi nje angivele kube kanjalo as long as mina ngathi ukuthi konke lengikwendile kukahle bengengikhale kakhulu mentally buka ngisho everyone bebetha kutongihlole kanze ukuthi mina ngiyarecordela ngishaya inamba ngiright
so recorda ngani phela ngoba phela studio so
hayi angithi noma ngirecorda ngoma eTopscale kunebangani bamnabo Nevi nabo City ngirecorda kibo ngiyatravelela ngihambe ngirecord Nevi ngivele ngimpithe silangani equipment sinangu record so bona bebangihlolela ukuthi ngabe ufila nje like say what's the plan now utaqhubeka kanjani
ngayibona isetup yakho mfana uyishaya lapha ku TikTok uthi utsike ama audio ngithi ha
so utawuphila kanjani yabo lento leto so mina ngaba nale hope naloko ethemba because bakhona bamlaba philako la ngephandle nabanene bamlaba bonisa onyalo ba decide ukuyisa le channel bafe bakufukule mina nje la majidala ngisebenza nayo mabona bulawo ngona majidala ngisite kakhulu kuncoba even le situation le.
Take us through the mabona bulawe yini usebenza, how is your team?
Mabona bulawe independent record label yakhona la khaya eSwatini yavulwa nguye Yangzesh namgcina Ihlophe nabheki Incamiso Thwala baphathi bemabona bulawe ngibo labo akusimngedwa nje sivula nalamatshala amathathu ngiyonje la ngisite kakhulu ku survive kule situation beyikhona until ngize ngibuyele ku normal stage ukuthi sengakhona kumuva. So after ngiphumele upscale lo Thwala lo Bheki Thwala wangichumanisa na Mr Hlophe lo mgcini Hlophe sakhuluma wathi angimtshela ivision yami ukuthi ngifisa ukuthi kungendakalani. So ngasho nami ukuthi hey mina kungaba so kube so ngakhona ukuthi ngimove so sahlala phansi sabane agreement lengiyo on paper ukuthi okay daba kanje kube kanje then ngakhona kumove otherwise mhlambe ngangabiyele ezulwini ngayohlala ekhaya ukuthi hey ngisazama ukubona ukuthi ngidawuphuma ngishone because it's hard for an artist to carry a whole studio equipment kuthola equipment nje kusebenza kulukhuni because le studio lesinaso nje lapha it's wealthy 40k.
I saw the equipment.
Equipment le latest so mabona bulawe nje sibathathu then kuna Ayakhe Nhlabathi lo sebenza as artist manager lo ungiyena handlishe ama bookings my inquiry artist Ligcokane livula kuphi lihamba ngani kwendakalani
hatch
department leyo lebo kwenguye and isiqale kahle kakhulu kuyathembisa konke sesike sakhona nekushaya trips ePitoli saphinze sabuya ezimabona bulawe umsebenzi uhamba ngendlela nje wendeka kahle kakhulu and this year kutaba kuhle kakhulu angisho ukuthi indaba ngisebenzela approval point kubantu but indaba ngisebenzela just because nami lento ngayicala ngile ekhaya ngineliphupho lelitside so nayo artist kumcoka kuba nale freedom ye creativity lokuthi ukhone kutenabisa ngani nangabe so fixed ukuthi wena ubuke ngibani lo myena uthi uyatenabisa ubona ngathi ku wrong just because utawu grower uthi na ugrow ugcina ubona ukuthi lokula kwentako yena akusiyo so le creative control imcoka kakhulu because ngiyole khokhe ema hit ngiyole khokhani ngoma le timnazi ngiyolenda ema collaborations la ngiyo so mina nje before I wasn't able to do ema collaboration ngisubside because wonke umuntu bekagcekwa lo vela shothi umuntu mbanga shothi beke kungimi ngoba wonke umuntu lo artist lo sacollaborate hayi
so you haven't been doing features like that for the past 3 years 4 years
thiwa hayi lona like nebamflo babona okay this one kungcono and lokuhle kakhulu mina kungifundzisile man and ngiyakubonga lokuthi kwendeke so cause ngicabanga ukuthi nalo salandzela mina sokukhona la takufunza naye abuke ukuthi olana kwendakalani. But since the industry yaseSwatini sakhula kumele sibambisane in terms of kuyikhulisa singayibulali singayuze ama artists singabulali ama creatives egameni lokuthi siyasebenza kanti sisondla imndeni alabanye abantu uyabo so lokukhona nje ukuthi kufune sibambisane kulo and naloku lokubalekelana kakhulu lokunga collaborate kwenda le message lelivangeli lingahambi kakhulu nangabe lihanjiswa ngumuntu umunye nje kanti nasilihambisa sing 3-4 kwenda even nalabantu nikubonakala ngathi lento ingiyo uyabona yakha more sense kiyo bese sekuba nenzaba yema endorsements manje yathi siyawathi ngamcoka endosana nabo mabhangi maybe noma in lokuthi kube khona l'artist elikhona ukuthi kungangenisa imali ndlela thide kuze stokhona kuphila because equipment idulile. kubita abanele asukela eMbabane o recorder kuta Costa ufuna adle ufuna a transporteke uyabona
Funa sometimes ajika abhashile phela ukuthi nayabone ukuthi ekhaya ngena something.
And lento bese seyakhalela unyalo ukuthi ukhanza ukuthi uma promoters sekeva ngathi uyawagcina naso sibitani bashalethi ngathi janjani.
Yes.
Sekeva ngathi so wahlele enzanyeni uyabona kanti nathi ngilempilo lesiface ngala.
It's the quality that it's the work that you put to make the brand nale quality of music. Vele le mali ya deserve lokuthi
ibe ngile mali.
Kanti if besibambiseka in sponsorships or in any other ways ngoba usho bekutaba lula nya.
Bekutaba lula but for now still imani kusheshe likhulu ukhanza ufune ngene quickini lale input zakho sekwendeke. Especially nangabe u growing stage ul artist lelisafuna vele obvious kutaba khona ukuthi ufisa indlu seyishi manje nangishuta kutawuba njani yawushuthwa ngibani bani ufuna imali lengaka so bese sekuba inkingi
deal with black degree no more.
So on my side uyabo ngakhuluma naye Gwenzo ne ngasho say no wathi yena no singachubeka sisebenze mina ebhuti ngithinkinga ukuthi sisebenze but later sangasakhona ukuthi sisebenze emva ukuthi bamtshele lokho ukuthi akasale akumisa lokho akhona lamanye ama local brands in fact bengagcoka futhi ingqondo example nje ngiyo United Urban so through my manager akhe Nhlabathe I get to know Mxolisi lo Charlotte Urban
shout out
saba nedili ke naye ukuthi alimbathise le artist engase lihambe ngcono ngoba
Imtshela lethe stoko la eClear Stores.
Yeah,
fakwe titoko local brands everything that is local.
Shout out to Tats Urban vele kufuna imtshela ukuthi akabuye naye atawuphusha umsebenzi wakhe because muhle kakhulu lona nje it's one of them there are more designs lahlukahlukene.
Okay.
La mahle nje la unique. So award winning clothing brand.
Aich amshilo award kwazisha. Music. What can you expect? What can you expect from now, moving forward? And maybe if there's anything that I would like to address, maybe we didn't touch on it, because really the episode Lena.
Oh yes, at least I've made things clear about Mabona Bulawe ukuthi kubaphathi bathathu and kwanyalo sena manager akhe Nhlabathe then it's me as an artist lokunye we are looking forward to drop our music lomusha sesicalile sawuperforma and bani bawuthokotela lomunye bese ngifakene ama clips lamancane on social media platforms now bawuthakasela. So the plan this year is to drop a music video up until December. Early next year we're announcing a project, the Kale Foods.
So on the music video side, no.
Yeah.
And the music video so right.
Sorted.
My contact details nyalo bukwa kuphi, what are the new contact details?
Actually,
nombolo tholakala
ikhona lapha ku social media ka Facebook.
Angese yapha sengiphi ngoba sona lamaningi angithi. Kunale ngasasiyo kunale sengiwo sothi lamanye athethe lamanye.
It's Yangzesh Mabona Bulawe everywhere. Then it's Yangzesh Indwana Encane on Facebook.
Oh.
TikTok it's Yangzesh Mabona Bulawe, Instagram Yangzesh Mabona Bulawe, Twitter Yangzesh Mabona Bulawe, YouTube channel it's Mabona Bulawe Records. Actually we have hit 1.2k subscribers in one day.
Shut up. No. Shothi kuyasebenzeka. For now vele content yakho setawuphuma khona.
Yeah.
You came up with the name Mabona Bulawe.
Yes, Mabona Bulawe. Yes. We've got a deal with Paradise. So music bangakhathazeki ukuthi abuphuma kahle ngendlela yakhona.
But still so phela ngale emandla angabi kuthiwa amandla angabi ndini angabi njani.
No, atawusotheka bhuti and the Paradise will be involved like certain lessons abaletha because ngibona bathi music lo ukuthi kumele uhambe njani kude nje le into tsale ngema ngeshare nesingwa salo mnyumo.
My brother, you have a question?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Buta. I thought you had a question, Mcebo.
Yeah.
Man, utayibute emva.
What I said to the people.
Okay.
The state of the music industry and what you want to see in the industry going forward. With the 2025, 2026 music industry kangwana ibona ime kanjani and yini improvement ofuna uyibona.
Tawuvakala mos.
Okay.
But the state of music industry yangwane in the next maybe this year moving on really. Usibona yini lo ngafuna kushintsha?
Yes.
Yeah,
Ngalokho
state of the
sisime
music
kanjani.
industry for 2025 and what you want to see 2025, 2026 from all the artists and other, for improvement of the music industry in general. Okay.
And lokuhle ukuthi ama-artists sebaqalile vele lokucabanga nike sakulindeka ayabo. Ama-artists nyalo seba more visible ku social media lebe ngisolo ngikhala ngakuthi sakwendeke. Ama-artists seka drop content lecture. So ngakhona nje ukuthi every Friday Swatini sekhona ngoma lephumako. So lokumcoka ku release yebhuti stock khona kwakha le sound nale industry yalakha eSwatini. Angisho ukuthi sikopelane ukuthi sihlabela kanjani but lokuthi ay madoda senhlekano sinalo kanje. No nangisho ukuthi sikopelane silomnye uhlabelana but lokuthi sibambisane ukuthi si release sonke then collaborate luckily bese bakwenda lokho even bo DJ ngibonathi seba release Wasabi nje ngibona ngingoma like Kokile which is good for the industry because mhlambe sesitawukhona ukuthi sekutaphela do you know before bungahamba usivemba abantu ungayivi ingoma eliswati khala la stradini bekwendeka lokho but so kuze kusikuvimbele kufune si release sonke sibe more visible ku social media collaborate then bese sisihlala phansi sesithola likhambi lekubreaker indzaba yethola place in SA nendzaba ye-TV yakhona cause sinela Swatini kusengasibhadali lokho kusengasibhadali mbana bamanje agamele stikhanze send info yinye sonke sine send info yinye kumele sikhone ukuthi umusic wethu uhambe ingane lesotho Bonda Testana bosena bakhonile kuhambisa livangeli laseLesotho lafika eMzansi lafika langena even on mainstream nami ngithanda sathi nathi simaswati singahamba singena eMzansi mainstream lo nendlela angayivali abuye ivuleke kube khona eSwati kwendeke lokho ngamane kusebende in terms of kube nema terms ebusiness uzothi nawo banena ngisida ngiexpectena sikusayinela pass kunekuthi singabukelelana nje kani ukhona lo nelihala lokuthi ukuze kube nje kwendiwa kanjani kuze sakhe industry yethu thina simaswati do know ukuthi even Botswana is on the map Lesotho SA even Mozambique is doing well come artists now la achieve true music but 14 eshiyasifimfela kancane yes siyayendi impact siyazama but nje kusengelivangeli lethu lisengahambi kahle so ngalokuthi incumbe artist la khona la velako kuna mina nje noticed you kunabo NKs only they are doing good now my artists and amarubuyile consistent in terms of visible social media buyile nje with new content like consistent ukuthi ngiyangena like vele nje ngiyangena noma enjani kunabo Mstar nabo bakhona there was NTM was looking forward for NTM ukuthi nayi ikhule but probably I think khona lebatabe baku laba khicitawo lebatasifita kona soon yes so I think kubambisana nekuphusha ukuthi lento leyo lelivangeli lethu lihambe lifike nga because na unganake Lesotho Bonda Testana nabo manje Vector bebavana bringing in new
collaboration
kids.
is key.
Yes bafaka on the map khula kanjalo ke industry hayi godla lona ngoba usaba ukuthi kutaba njani
Umcebo, what's the question?
Yami simple.
Yeah.
I would have expected you to rebrand from Young Zest to Ndonengane. Why didn't you rebrand kanjalo? You wouldn't have worked, my son.
yo
I don't even work. You know how hard it is changing a brand, my man.
Why?
For Eswatini futhi
Aye.
it's hard mfowethu so nalokuthi yangize
Hayi ngiyala na.
nami yangize lokhu ufike kanjani kuba ngiyangize
Ngibe ngathi le mcebo even the hype ungasithatha sikhathi rebranding is a lot of work and it's like a gamble. It's like so shinji formula lesebendako for influence I tester. For me, that's how I feel. Yabo.
Vele bekungeke Angeke.
bayalibona naleli gama li-trademark yokusho lena utawukhanza kuthi naleli gama kuthiwa balithethe uyala nokuthi angeke paperwork kwafika lana mmeliso longiyasho washo wathi into leti singadithatheli
No,
phansi
timcoka Dona, timcoka.
uyova kuthiwa wena sekunalo yangizeshi trademark weligama konke ubrandiwe
Wendeke.
Uyiklo.
Konke lokhu yangize.
Yes. Mnet, thank you so much for taking your time and coming through to the biggest podcast. Ngiyada akukho lula, you are busy and oh okay. Ngithi I know you are busy and the struggle ke wena ungcono yasathi you know njengoba besikhuluma kuseni ukuthi ngiyasho ngithe yizeshi lokusho kosawuzama ukuthi already because of that's in my superstar my brother I'll check you when I check you all the best on your music all your best in everything you do business ventures and all of that.
Yeah, thank you so much. Sibonge lithuba nje ukuthi siphindze sibuye la. eMaswati abuke ukuthi sister.
Akuthanze eMaswati zesho ungakuthathi kanjani.
Ngiyakubonga lo, ngibonga mbamba eMaswatini. Siyawaphekela nje umusic actually so ready nethi say ku roll out ukuthi utawuphuma kanjani because the plan is at least kuthi sibe neningoma letiningi disele tiphumile nema videos before we announce any project under Mabona Bulawayo Records.
Danko.